Now, we said earlier that diagnosis is a mapping from data space to a hypothesis space. We also noted that although we may start with the initial set of data, proposals of specific hypotheses may lead us to collect additional data. Once we have some candidate hypotheses for explaining the available data, then these hypotheses become indices into treatment plans. So the next step is to map the hypothesis space into the treatment space. In case of medical diagnosis, this might be a set of therapies or a set of drugs. In case of auto mechanics, the treatment space might consist of replacement of various parts or repair of various parts. Note again the power of classification. This was the space of percepts. This is the space of actions. This mapping is very complicated. So we map the space of percepts into the equivalence classes, the disease categories. So we index the actions over the equivalence classes called the disease categories instead of directly indexing the actions over the data space. As we execute the treatment, we monitor it. And depending upon the result of this treatment, we may need to collect additional data. If the treatment fails, then the fact that the treatment has failed is important data that might also lead to the collection of additional data. Thus, in case of auto mechanics, if I replace a particular component and the car still does not function properly, then that is useful data to know. Because that suggests that the fault that I thought would explain the malfunction is probably not the right diagnosis.
We can also think of this last phase as a type of configuration, which we talked about last time. Given a set of hypotheses about illnesses or faults with a car, we can then configure a set of treatments or repairs that best address the faults we discovered before.